2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 cabin air filter kit by Infinity Overland includes everything you need. Here's a list of the tools required. We used a powered ratchet for filming, but hand tools work just fine. Installation starts under the hood. Remove the plugs from the onboard computer. Remove the 10mm bolts that hold the computer in place. The thin wrench may be required to remove the nut holding the ground wire. Remove the computer and set aside. Blow out the area behind the computer as best you can. Blow off the computer as well. Also, blow the dust out of the plugs. It's really hard to see, but there is an opening that needs to be sealed. Soak a rag with acetone and do the best you can to clean the area that needs to be sealed. Make sure to clean the hole next to the computer opening as well. Try to clean out the area behind the computer as good as you can. Use the larger foam pad from the kit and remove the adhesive backing. Work the pad into the corner to seal the opening as best you can. Reinstall the computer, making sure it gets into the rear support. Use the factory bolts to secure the computer. Make sure to reattach the ground wire. Use the smaller pad from the kit to seal the hole next to the computer. Install the computer's plugs and you are done under the hood. Next, remove the wiper arms. They come off easily, just pull out the lever. Use the panel removal tool to remove the push pins. Then remove the other wiper arm. start on the driver's side, use the panel tool to pop the clips and remove the cowl. Make sure the window washer tube is out of the way when removing the cowl. Use the same method to remove the passenger side cowl. Next, remove the 3 8mm bolts securing the window washer motor. Notice we use a moving pad to protect the hood. Although not required, it is a good idea. Disconnect the plug from the window motor and remove the assembly. Now that everything is out of the way, dry fit the filter frame as shown. Use the RTV from the kit to lay a generous bead on the leading edge of the metal and around the bolt hole as shown. Install the bolt from the kit to hold the filter frame in place. Then use the RTV to seal every edge of the filter frame. Give the RTV a few hours, even overnight, to set up before moving on to the next step. Once the RTV has set up, install the provided HEPA filter and cover. As you can see here, the bolt has been removed from the filter frame. The installation of the cabin air filter is now done. Reinstall the wiper motor. Use the bolt from the kit to secure the wiper motor above the filter. The provided bolt is shorter and will not crush the HEPA filter like the factory bolt will. Install the passenger side cowl first, then fit the driver's side. Once both sides of the cowl are fit together, snap the clips down to secure. Install both push pins and wiper arms, and you're done. Thank you for watching. Go to infinityoverland.com to get your new cabin air filter today.